Hey everybody, I am back again. Sorry, I forgot to move this. This is the cord for my microphone. So I just wanted to come by and do a really quick tutorial. But first I wanted to show you how this is looking now. This is not permanent. This is just the Dollar Tree doorknob hanger that I tucked in here. So I'm throwing it in as a gift into my loaded pockets, and as you can see I have the bells hanging, and these are the Easter bells they got right now. I think they might have had one more color. Here's the other one. So yeah, I keep loading this little guy more and more, and now I'm going to scoot him over so that I can show you the tutorial, because I had picked up, I picked up these erasers from Dollar Tree not that long ago. And you get 8, and I knew right away I wanted to turn them into, this is just temporary, I just wanted to see how it looked, into a little planner dangle. Now this is, I usually have this on here, I'm just testing it out, you know, how it looked, and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I make that. Now I can't tell you where I got my little eye hooks. This little container here comes from Dollar Tree, but it normally just comes with like picture hanging stuff. I picked up tons of these from the Dollar Tree, and they still have them, and it only comes with, I want to tell you, it does come with a few little eye hooks, not a lot. I actually added to it from other things that I purchased. So like this here doesn't come with that. So there's a whole bunch in here that I've been collecting, and that's what I'm going to use. And now you could use an adhesive in there when you're screwing this in, but I figure by the time you get done screwing this in, it'll either be dry or gone in some way. So it actually is on pretty good. It's screwed in. This is an eraser. You see how small it is in my hand, but it's really cute, and a great way to use those erasers that you buy when you buy these packs of like a whole bunch. And you can gift them out. You can gift them out just like this, or with the little hooks, or as the dangle itself. You can add this on to, like if you're going to do a chunky charm, maybe add that to it. And actually, I didn't do it yet, but you can actually use these little eggs too and screw that in. But in that case, I would put a little bit of glue, because this is just foam and it would probably come out. So you're going to need the little eye. Now you can use a pin. The kind, oh, here, I'll show you. You can use an eye pin as well. That you would definitely have to glue in there, but I don't know what kind of glue to use that you would use with rubber. Maybe rubber cement or something. And you could just push it in, you know, cut it down and just push it in and have that little loop. That's the main thing, is that you want to have a loop there so that you can hang stuff. You're going to need some jump rings. I used like 2 different sizes. And then you're going to need your lobster clasp, or if you don't want, you can use like a garment pin, safety pin, or you could just hang it directly onto a paper clip. That's how I'm going to use these. I'm actually going to make, I think I'm going to do 4 total, and a couple of them will be for traveler's notebooks. The other 2 I'm going to gift, and they're going to go onto a paper clip. I think I have one here, and then the person can use it however they want. So I would put this in somehow on the loaded pocket, clip it onto something, a card or the pocket itself, and then that person could just pull this off and take this off if they want. So it would be like, hold on to this. So you can hang that on anything you want. Actually, you could even put that like this into a planner. So just ideas. And you know, all holidays, they have these cute holiday erasers. And even throughout the year, you can find like little burgers and cupcakes and stuff like that. So you could do the same thing with those. Just, you know, get yourself those little things. Now, these you can find, Tim Holtz has them. So whoever sells Tim Holtz. and also Seven Gypsies, which I haven't actually seen Seven Gypsies in a while. I've usually just seen them at Tuesday morning after a little while. So I don't know if Seven Gypsies still exists. And who else? Art, I forgot. But also check hardware department, you know, or something like that. So I don't know what size they are. You can tell in my hand, they're tiny. Okay, so simply take your eraser, take your eye pin, find the middle on the top part of your eraser, push in and screw. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Luckily, I'm not wearing my long nails right now, or else I probably wouldn't be able to do this. You could take, if your nails are in the way, pliers or something, and same thing, and just push as you turn. If the ears weren't as soft as they are, then I would probably use this, because then you don't want to break them. But okay, so this is on pretty good. I can twist in one more time, and I will leave it in this direction just to get the loops on. I'm gonna go ahead and do one more. They're all different colors in here too. I wish I had silver and gold. That will be something that you know, I will have my eye open for. Not that I'm going to start looking for it, but if I find it, I probably will buy them. They probably are at, they might have them like in Michael's in the jewelry section, or the beads section, findings section, whatever it's called. Okay, so you can actually pull on that. I mean, if you really pull hard, it will come out. All right, so I have 3. This is my 4th one, which is done. And I already pulled out some jump rings here. I do have extremely dry hands. Okay, so we need a couple of pliers, and I do use these 2 different ones here. They do have like grippy, kind of like teeth on them, so it helps me hold. And we're going to start with the smallest jump ring, which I don't have too many out here. Oh, here we go. To fit in between the ears. So I'm just grabbing the smallest jump ring. I'm going to open it up and slide it on and then close it. Okay. And then we're going to take, what did I do? 2 small ones? I'm going to do one slightly bigger. I mean, you could really use the same size, but since I don't have too many teeny tiny ones, I'm going to do like a next size up. I do not know the sizes of these. Okay, it is what it is. I just look at things when I buy them, and I don't look for the particular size. And okay, I think that's on, or is it? Even with glasses on, I think I'm due for another checkup. And then a 3rd one, which I'm going to do another small one again, smaller one. And this one, I'm going to slide it on, but I'm going to let this guy hang in that. I got to fix that other one. Hold on, let me fix that. Did not do a good job here. And I do apologize if I'm off camera. I can't see the screen. I got it kind of high. Okay, back to this guy. So what I was saying is, don't close it yet. You're going to follow the rings. So the bottom ring is going to lay flat. This middle ring is going to lay in this direction, and then the top one is laying flat. This way you know what direction to put your clasp on. And the way you would like it is that the front will be where the little latch is. So I'm hoping that you're seeing what I'm doing here. Okay, so that when we close this up and then we use it, everything kind of lies in the right direction. So let's see if I got that right. So the bunny should be facing up, or towards you, and this latch should be facing towards you. This way when you clip onto things, it should lay right normally. It might want to open, I didn't close this right again. What is wrong with me? There we go. Anyway, so it'll be easier to, you know, make sure that it lays in the right direction normally, even though it's going to still want to turn. But if you got the lobster clasp in the right direction and all the rings going in a certain way, then it'll be correct on your thing. Okay, so he should normally lay in the right direction because all my rings and my lobster clasp is in the right direction. Less chances of him turning around. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it one more time since I still got to do more. Oops. Okay, a small one. And I do find the majority of my jump rings and lobster clasps, just the silver and the gold ones, at Walmart. The gold is usually the hardest to find because, you know, everybody just buys them all. So, like lately, I haven't found any gold ones. I've just been picking up silver. I do find them. You can get them online through anywhere, Amazon, eBay, all kinds of places. But I do have a good stash. But lately I've been using more silver. I don't even know if I'm in frame here. I'm doing this so far from my eyes that I'm not getting a good close here. I think it's closed. Okay, so then the last one. Alright, so once again, lay this guy in the right direction, which ended up like last time. So this should go on this way. Okay, so there we go. So if you'll notice the rings, the two on the bottom and the top are laying flat, and then this one here is laying upright, and that will keep your lobster clasp in the right direction. All right. So I'm just going to do one more, but I'll do that off camera. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.